Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 environmental science class or our EVS class. Again I am repeating, I am conducting now class 1 EVS class. So what should we do? We will start the new topic. Okay, so how was your half yearly exam? I hope everybody have done well, isn't it? Yes, it was a good paper. So everybody have done well. Today we will start with a new topic, that is chapter number 10, staying clean and healthy. And you already know when will your result day. That day I expect all of you will come to get your mark sheet. Okay, so everybody open chapter number 10, staying clean and healthy. Give C.W and give today's date, that is 30.11.20. Very good. Now start. So everybody read after me. Our body is made up of many parts that work for us in different ways. We should good take care good care of our body. We should keep it healthy and clean. That means we have some good habits that will make our body very healthy, that will make us very healthy, that will help us to be healthy and happy. What are the good habits? Something that we do every day becomes our habit, that we are doing every day, like brush teeth before the after the meal, wash hands before the meal. That's are considered as the good habits. We must follow some good habits to keep our body healthy. Children with healthy habits stay fit and fine. Some good habits are: you should eat food that is good for our health. So we must eat food that is good for our health. Okay. We should drink plenty of water. Again I am repeating, we should drink plenty about 8 to 10 glasses of clean water. It's really very important that we must drink plenty of clean water. We should not drink water that is not covered. So any uncovered thing we should not take. Okay, we should drink water that is very clean, that should be very clean. Okay. We should not drink water that is not covered. Any uncovered thing, not about only water. You should not eat anything which is not covered at all. Okay. It might have very small creatures called germs in it. Drinking water with germ can make us ill. Very true. Which is very, like, if you will drink anything that will make us actually unhealthy. If germs will be there, maybe our stomach pain will start, maybe our vomiting will start, so maybe liver upset will appear. So we should not do anything that will create such kinds of problem. Our body need rest too. Yes, actually we should take rest. If we became restless, then we became very ill. We should sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours daily. Children who get enough sleep grow up healthy and happy. Children, those who, that doesn't mean like you always sleep. Definitely not. But that is one thing we know, everybody, that early to bed, early to rise make a man healthy and wise. That means if you go early to bed and if you wake up early in the morning, that will make you healthy and happy. Very good. Now come to the next page. Playing outdoor games and doing exercise help us to stay fit. Some of them are jogging, swimming and playing. These things also very important. Okay. So these things also make us healthy and happy. Playing indoor game like Ludo, chess also is fun. So we must do these kinds of things that will make us also engage us, our body fitness, our mental gym. All these things are related. We can also do yoga. Yoga is very good. I always appreciate, in my class I also, before starting the class, I also like you that you will do the meditation, like ca- uh, close your eyes simply and just count 1 to 20, then 1 to 30, then 1 to 40. Before go to sleep, you practice all these things. That will give a peace in your brain and you can give a sound sleep. Okay, that will help you. That will help you. It is a type of exercise that is very old. It helps us to stay fit. It's very important. So up to this, today we will do. And next class we will start from the next part. Okay, so next class we will start from the next part. Learn up to this very carefully. Next class we will start from staying clean. Okay, so learn up to this very carefully. Especially the spelling, learn it very carefully and follow the class. Okay, next day we will complete the chapter and we will continue with the question answers. Okay, so stay happy, be safe, and definitely follow all the good and healthy habits. Bye bye.